Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back. I'm Roast Qasim and watching our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome project. It's called WeSendIt. So WeSendIt is the first Web3 revelation for the data of the future project. So without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see a small disclaimer: this is not an investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure to do your research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So here you can check it out. WeSendIt. All the links provided in the description. And first of all, you can see our token solutions, price and plans and pricing, economics, about us, partners, blog, and buy token. You can also buy this token, and it's a 100% safe and secure project. And here you can check out their partners. So let's scroll down. Big announcement: the countdown is the nude pre-sale is the running. Don't miss your chance and be part of the WeSendIt. So you can check it out. Visit now our node pre-sale, and you can also check out their node pre-sale on the website. And you can also check out their documents. WeSendIt protect of your data personal information with easy access, decentralized transfer, and Web3 storage solution. So guys, WeSendIt protect our data. It's been your data with Web3 storage. So it's a very amazing. You can read all the information about their project and everything right here. You can read out, and here you can check it out. Control your data with WeSendIt 3.0, decentralized data security, Web3 data transfer, data security, and top priority. Discover all the benefit of Web3 value proposition of the most advanced and secure file transfer and decentralized storage solution of the all industries. And you can check it out there all the information provided here. WeSendIt blog, and you can check it out their NFT license, NFT node license, and here you can check out discover the next important step of the future WeSendIt. And you can check out their conference of the NVIDIA GPU technology. So here you can check out their FAQ section. What is WeSendIt about? You can check it out. So guys, there's some details you need to understand, and here you can check out what is the WeSendIt about. Basically, WeSendIt is the first Web3 file sharing aggregator of the connect people business data of the today Web3 world of the tomorrow. And you can check out when will you burn token and how many. So guys, here you can check it out. You will be burned approximately 200 million tokens, and the beta launch of the platform TPT. I think it's the biggest project of 2024, and our concept decentralized data transfer. And you can check out how to get a WSI token using smartphone and tablet. At the W token using you can Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and YouTube. How to obtain the WSI was WeSendIt token, where I can find the smart contract. So guys, this is the smart contract is also provided. Token name WeSendIt, symbol domicile, and it's a BNB smart chain. So here you can check out their added connected, and you can check out their WeSendIt contract aggregator, and additionally can send a data WeSendIt, and you can get all the information about their project. Our backers MEX Global, so it's a very famous exchange. Huawei, Anderson, GetData.ext, Bitpanda, PancakeSwap, and you guys, you can use the PancakeSwap for buying the WeSendIt token and get the latest concept of the price and of the inbox. So guys, it's information. You can follow their social account, their Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Medium, YouTube, Meta, Telegram, English, and other languages also provided. So first of all, we are going to talk about their plans and pricing. So let's check out the plans. So guys, here you can check out. Welcome to the first Web3 file sharing, and login with the DAP, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Safe Wallet, Decentralized Storage. Connect your wallet and benefit. Simply you need to connect wallet. You can use your Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Simply click on MetaMask because I'm using my MetaMask account. So let's enter the MetaMask password, and after all your MetaMask will be, and your account will be connected. The more WSI in your wallet, the more discount you will be get. So here you can check out the discount and how much WSI token you will be get, and you can check it out all the information and the standard plans. If you want to check the standard plan, simply click on standard plan. First of all, you can check out no matter the plan, you will be a fan. You can check out their basic plan, 400 almost $5, $419 per month, and USDT 515 a year, up to send up to 5 GB per transfer. And you can check out their pro plan, and you can check out their business plan. If you want to subscribe, then click on subscribe, and enter your email, password, confirm password, then click on register now. After registering, you need to just confirm it, and you can use it easily. So it's a very amazing project. Here you can check out their WeSendIt node pre-sale. Get your ERC 721 on NFT before the official node sale. So guys, stake how much you want to stake your WSI token in the project node. Staking calculator, if you want to calculator, and you can, if you want to stake like you will stake your tokens and you will get all the stake and get your node license. So if you want to stake, then you will get your node license. So it's a very amazing. You can connect to your wallet easily. BP we sell it, and here you can check out their tier 1 sees 10,000 and the estimate API 35% 61, and this is E2, and you can check out all the information. 18 days left, and tier 12 and all the information provided here. You can choose your seeds, how much you want to stake, boost your reward, multiply your earning 2x, 4x, 10, 8x, and here you can check out we send it up to compare reward and everything provided here. You can check it out all the information. So guys, you can also check out their white paper. So first of all, we sent it is the glance, so you can check out their information. There we send it introduction. You will be get the meet the team, their token, Jens Herbst, CEO and founder, and you will be get all the information about the team, technology, token economics. So the important thing is the token economics. So guys, first of all, you can see distribution, seed 5%, price, election, total value, market cap, private 8%, IDO, IEO 2.5%, team 12%, advisor 5%, referral 5%, development 15%, marketing 12%, exchange and liquidity 8%, operations 10%, staking rewards 8%, equity reward 3%, airdrop 3%, and services is 3%. So guys, you can check out their V100 token total supply, and you will price 0.01, and you can check out their latest buy, sale, quantity, everything right here, and you will be get everything about this project on the BSC scan. And this, if you want to buy this token, then simply open your PancakeSwap, then simply into your BNB, connect your wallet, BNB Smart Chain, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, which wallet you're using, then simply enter it and how much you want to buy, then simply click on buy at, and you can buy this token easily. So I already told about their tokens, their blog partner, and you can check out their partner, their about us, plans and pricing. I already told about it. You'll be get your solution if you have any problem, the first object, and you can check out their token. So let's check out there. I already about the token, so I hope you understand everything. Simply you need to click on sign up, then select your plan which one do you subscribe it, then simply subscribe it, and you'll be sending your data and everything you do on your based on your plan. So guys, the main thing is about this project, how to work their ungrid Filecoin. You'll be get Filecoin, ungrid storage, interrelations, upload, meta, backup, how to work no more up to lower cost, and you can check out their solution, economics, node pre-sale, 50 reward event, and you can also check out their take advantage of the massive 50,000 and their airdrop. Simply click on economic and you active referral program, and you can also check out the referral program. Simply click on referral program, and you can also learn about the referral program. This is the staking. So I hope you understand everything, how to buy this how to buy their tokens, how to buy their proxy plan. So now we are going to talk about their social accounts like Instagram, Twitter, and all the other handles. And guys must subscribe their YouTube channel. Simply click on subscribe, then click on all option, and you'll be notified their all the upcoming updates. And guys, here you can check it out. I'm here on the their Twitter account. They have very huge community, almost 200k. Simply I click on follow because I want to become the member of this community for the best profit. I also recommend you, if you want to good profit, good for good file transfer method, then I recommend this project. But invest always at your risk, guys. This is must. And this is the Twitter account. I don't have my account, and simply click on Twitter, Instagram account, and then simply click on Instagram, then click on follow option, and you'll be a member of their community. So let's check it out their Medium account. Here, sorry, this is the LinkedIn, and you can check out their token detail, everything right here, and you'll be learn everything. This is the Medium. You can check out their Medium 3 minute ago read, and you will be get all the information about their project and everything right here. This is also, it's a very amazing project. So guys, now we're going to talk about their discover. Safe, faster, easier, boom, Swiss file transfer storage for the Web3 era. their features, their company's professionals, Web3 world, security, AI. You can also check out their AI plan and pricing. I already told about this advertising, about us, file transfer, share your moments, is this current first. File management, create a organization of the key, Web3 storage, and started trial 14 days free. So it's I think this is the best thing. I tell you how. So if you are a beginner, if you want to check this project, you can also get here 14 days for free trial. And if this is the free, this is the basic business and everything provided here, and you will learn everything. And this is the white paper and everything provided here. You can check it out their Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Telegram. This is the Telegram community, 20,000 plus members. Simply click on in Telegram and then simply join it their Telegram. You can also check out their white paper. So I hope you understand. Video is going to be long, but I think you will be understand everything. And this is the white paper, and you will be come yourself and check it out. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, I don't think you have any question about this project, because I already told about it everything. So if you have any question, you can do it a comment and I will reply you soon. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. I will meet in my next video. Take care.